students, today I am going to start the topic how to hear sound as the chapter number 7 sound and hearing is the chapter which we are studying. So the topic is how do we hear sound. Over here you will see that what's the work of the ear. Ear will convert the sound energy into electrical energy. After that it will transfer that electrical energy to the brain and you will get the signal from the brain and you will hear that sound by your ears. Okay, what is the process going on over there? The air inside the ear canal begins to vibrate. Because of the vibration of the ear canal, the air inside the ear canal, the eardrum will be vibrate. Eardrum is the sheet of muscles and skin. Because of this vibration of the eardrum, it will vibrates the bone like that. These are the three bones: hammer, animal, and sternum. These are the three bones which starts to vibrate. After that vibration, the liquid inside the cochlea vibrates. This sends up signal inside the nerve cell. Okay, because of the liquid which is present because of the liquid which is present in cochlea, which starts to vibrate, and because of that vibration signals are reached towards the nerve cell. Now we will talk about the noise pollution and soundproofing. What do you mean by noise pollution and what do you mean by soundproofing? Noise pollution, you all know that the sound which is produced by different types of traffic, that is of the radio, of machinery, different types of machinery, these all are included in that of the noise pollution. Because of this noise pollution, it is really difficult to relax, and if the student wants to study, it will cause distraction because of this noise. Okay, noise level can be measured with the sound meter. This is the sound meter which is going to measure the noise level, and the unit in which the noise is being tested is known as decibels. Okay, this is the unit of the noise. Noise is measured in decibels. Okay, so student, you will see over here there is the decibels given that for the quietness sound you can hear 0 decibels, for the whisper 40 decibels. Okay, this is the decibels that the measurement of the sound which you can hear by your ear. This is all the table which is given over here. Okay, now we will talk about what is soundproofing. Okay, when you walk into an empty room, you usually hear echo. The wall, roof, and ceiling reflect the smallest sound. It may take several seconds for the second energy to be absorbed, so sound energy to be absorbed, so that the sound fade away. Okay, you will hear the echo in the empty room because the sound will reflect from that of the solid object. Okay, it is more quickly through the sound travel more quickly through solid than that of in the air. In addition, sound travel further through hard solids. Okay, soft form fabrics all absorb sound energy and can make useful soundproof material, as are foam and other soft things are a soundproof material and it absorbs sounds. Okay, but in spite of these soft material, hard material is a good traveler of the sound. Sound travel much more quicker through solid than that of the air. Okay, so this is the soundproofing. Now this is the Okay, student, this is the work which you have to complete in your physics copy. Okay, question number 14.A, B, 15A, B, 16A, and B, 17A, and B. These are all questions which you have to complete in your physics copy. Thank you. This is the book work which you have to complete in your books. Thank you.